Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an audiobook on 11labs. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here, first of all, go to 11labs.io and make sure to sign up for a new account. Once you sign up to a new account, it's going to ask you a few personality questions, asking you about how you describe yourself as an engineer or writer or a creator. And once you fill in all the data, as you can see, we have right here sign up for our data. And so from here in the home page, you can see audiobook as the second option right here. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to upload it. And once you do that, you will need to have a ready PDF that is separated well in chapters, well equipped, and you have the rights to produce an audio version for that book. Once that is done, you are going to upload it right here, and then you can select the default voice. You can go through many other voices, and to test it out, you can simply click on play.
Our distrust is very expensive.
And that will show you the preview of that voice. And it's going to be simply an audiobook, and that is going to be for MP3. And once that is done, you're going to click and create project, and you will create it directly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.